Hello. Welcome. Today we learn the phrases you need for shopping. Let's head to a shop by Gwangalli beach. Shopping has a flow. Ask the price.
얼마예요?
Choose.
이거 주세요.
Pay.
결제,
And check the discount.
할인,
Just these four. To catch prices.
숫자,
Numbers matter. If numbers are tricky, watch our previous video in the top right card. We're at the
가게,
shop. You spot something you like. You wonder about the price. To ask a price, say,
얼마예요? 얼마예요?
means how much. Point at the item and ask,
이거 얼마예요?
Now repeat slowly.
얼마예요?
Buying several at once? Ask,
전부 얼마예요?
how much in total? You've decided. Now ask for it. Point and say,
이거 주세요.
it means this one, please. Near.
이거 주세요.
A bit far.
그거 주세요.
Far.
저거 주세요.
Now repeat.
이거 주세요.
Say the count. 1 is.
한 개 주세요.
2 is.
두 개 주세요.
Not quite right. Ask,
다른 거 있어요.
any others? Or,
더 큰 거.
a bigger one. All chosen. Head to the counter. Time to pay. Paying is called
결제,
payment. By card, say,
카드로 결제할게요.
by cash, say,
현금으로 결제할게요.
now repeat.
결제,
Need a bag? Say,
봉투 주세요.
need a receipt? Say,
영수증 주세요.
oh, it's on sale. The price dropped. Lowering the prices.
할인,
Discount. During a sale, ask,
이거, 할인, 돼요.
a bit pricey? Ask,
좀 깎아주세요.
please lower it. Too pricey.
너무 비싸요.
Now repeat.
할인,
Now real life. A customer asks,
이거 얼마예요?
and the clerk says,
5,000원이에요. 지금 할인 중이에요.
Want more shop phrases? See the video in the top right card next. Ordering food and market talk. Today's phrases.
얼마예요? 이거 주세요. 결제, 할인,
Read them aloud once more. You're doing great. Wonderful. Use today's phrases at least once today. Small steps, big skills. See you next time.